Hi, this video shows you exactly how to set up a new Hero user in EMIS and activate Hero Health in the EMIS Manager. Following these steps will hopefully reduce connection failures and avoid having to repeat this setup. Now, before we get started, it's worth noting that there are two different passwords that will be shown in this process. The password that you set when creating the EMIS user is not the API password. The password that we set later when we're in EMIS Manager is the API password, and that's the one that you should be entering on the Hero connection form. So before we get started, it's worth navigating to configuration and then organization configuration from the EMIS ball and searching for any existing EMIS users under the name of Hero user. We have a few on this one, but I'm just going to show you creating a new one from scratch. If you already find a Hero user, please let us know ODS code and we can confirm if a live connection already exists at your practice. So to create a new EMIS user, you'll go to add and then add new user. We have specified a specific set of details that you'll need to fill out, so please fill those out. Now this is the only thing, so you will need to enter Hero user. Because I'm doing this for a second time, I'm just going to add in some numbers at the end. Because a username can only exist once per user, but you will just want Hero user. Now the password I think must contain at least 8 characters and must include a capital letter and numbers. However, it can't contain any special characters, I believe. And also make sure to uncheck user must change password on next sign in. And continue to fill out the details. Normally you'd want to select HH or whatever you've preferred, but because we've done this a few times, I'm just going to put in a bunch of H's so that this is created. And we want to be associated, and the contract start date can be today, and we want to make sure the contract end date is left blank. Now on the user roles, we want to go up and select the practice manager role, and that should be everything. Go ahead and press OK. Now that has been created. Now we want to go ahead and activate the API partner. So we can go through to System Tools and EMIS Manager. Within here, if you look down to Partner API, you can then scroll down till you can see Hero Health. Now, because this is a test account, it says Hero Test, but on yours it will say Hero Health. This is already activated. I could deactivate it, but what you'll need to do, there'll be a red X, and you'll just need to activate application. Now, let's get the API password. So what we'll need to do for the user is have Hero Test or Hero Health selected and go to Edit Users. And then from here, let's find the test user that we created. And then when prompted now, we will enter a password. That is the password that is the API password, and that is the one that you'll want to enter into the Hero configuration settings. Now let's press OK. And we'll also want to allow auto login for this user. So if we select login access, and if we scroll down, we want to select both of these and press OK. And that is everything. So now you should have your API password created in EMIS Manager, your username, and your EMIS user password. I hope this helped. Thank you very much, and goodbye.